Hi, I'm Ian Law, the Chief Instructor of the ILR Car Control School. Welcome to our Better Driving series. For over 25 years, we've been helping motorists from all walks of life become safer, more confident drivers. Today, we'll be analyzing a collision that occurred when both drivers made avoidable mistakes. In this clip, on a beautiful sunny day, the driver with the camera is heading down the highway when another motorist pulls directly out in front of him, resulting in a T-bone collision. Now in this clip, the driver of the camera vehicle is heading up a beautiful sunny road and he's approaching an intersection. He's not paying attention to what can happen and he's not looking far enough up the road to spot the danger. So let's analyze what went wrong in this video. The driver of the camera vehicle was heading down the road, was not looking far enough up the road to spot that he was coming to an intersection, at which point he should have said, what if there's a vehicle approaching that intersection that will not stop? And as he got closer to the intersection, when he saw the vehicle at that intersection, he should have said to himself, what if that truck pulls out in front of me, and been ready for that. If you look closely, you'll notice that the driver of the truck that pulled out in front of the camera vehicle was on the phone. That is a big no-no. That is distracted driving. The driver of the camera vehicle also made numerous mistakes. He should have been slowing while approaching an intersection. He should have been assuming that that driver may pull out in front of him. And then he did the vision technique mistake. He looked directly at the vehicle instead of looking to where he wanted to go. As you see in the clip, the driver of the camera vehicle drove directly into that truck because he was looking at that truck. We got to make ourselves look to where we want to go so we can avoid hitting what's in front of us. Even though the viewers who watched this particular clip on YouTube believed the driver of the camera vehicle was an innocent victim, that driver was also a major factor in this collision. If he had done the simple processes of the what if and vision training, he would have missed this collision. In this next video, we almost have an identical scenario. In this situation, the driver of the camera vehicle was looking far enough up the road, was processing the information that either of those vehicles could pull out in front of the driver, and they slowed in preparation for that. The driver of the camera vehicle was looking to where they wanted to go. They were not looking directly at the truck that pulled out in front of them. That is the key part of vision training, is looking to where you want to go. Vision training is probably the most important aspect to safe driving. Unfortunately, what we do naturally with our eyes is the wrong thing. We're hardwired to look low, and we're also hardwired to look at the threat to be able to assess the threat. Both of those things are the wrong things for safe driving. We need to make ourselves look farther up the road, keep our eyes scanning, and when a threat does arise, glance at it and then look to where we want to go. Our hands will follow our eyes. Safe driving and vision training go hand in hand. Stay tuned for more videos from our Better Driving series where we can help you become a better driver.